If you have allergies, this video is definitely for you. Hi, my name is Doc Chris, your online family doc, making medicine easy for you to have a healthy life. And here are 5 things you need to know about having allergies. Number 1, never use nasal steroids or topical steroid cream without prescription. Yes, madalas natin nireseta ito, so dapat meron tong abiso ng doktor. And kung gumagamit ka ng mga steroids, it has the effect of thinning the lining of your epithelium or yung skin mo. So, hinay-hinay lang. Dapat may gabay ito ng doktor at may proper prescription. Number 2, stop taking cetirizine every time. May notion kasi na kung magkaroon ng allergies, mag-take ka ng antihistamine left and right kapag natake lang. So the thing is, hindi dapat ganun ang sitwasyon ng paggamot ng allergies. You should have a maintenance in controlling allergic responses. Hindi lang yung on the go or as needed dosage lang ng antihistamines. That's why we give prescription for allergy control, like providing the prescription of top intranasal steroids when required na medyo matagalan until mawala yung symptoms. Okay? It's important that you have guidance with a doctor and not just taking an antihistamine left and right. Number 3, stop rubbing your eyes. May tendencies kasi kung nagkaroon ka ng allergy reaction, makati ang side ng mata, no? We call it your Danny Morgan eyes. And kung magkaroon ka ng reaction, ang usual response natin ay ginaganon na, nililidlid natin. Which is not ideal because you're just further increasing the depth of exposure ng allergens mo towards the subcutaneous tissues and mas likely magkaroon ka ng pamamaga. The best thing na pwede mong gawin dyan is to apply cold compress during those times na nangangati and seek consult with the doctor. Number 4, look at bad habits. Number 1 na habit na pwede maging source ng allergens is you dry your clothes outside. Hanging them outside exposes you to a lot of allergens. Tapos, sinusuot mo siya and then magkaroon ka ng reaction. It's important that you stay secured with all your clothes and away from any allergens in the environment or even at home. Better if meron kayong dryer, you dry your clothes there. And number 5, don't eat the things that will trigger you. Lagi kong kinakausap ang pasyente ko na, nagkaroon ka ng reaction, anong nangyari? Anong nakain mo? Most of the time, alam naman nila kung anong trigger food nila. And most of the time, naisip nila, nangangati ng lalamunan ko dahil nakakain ako ng food na allergic ako. Now, if you know the food that can trigger your allergies, please avoid them. At the end of the day, allergies can be controlled just as long as you stay disciplined in managing your cases.